yes, my beautiful people in the house. Yeah, good morning, everybody. This Vera TV program is building. Oh yes, so let me show you my body. So now I know I see the being this early morning exercise is very, very good. And now won't get when it be say will make you look strong, will make you look good. You can see that the sun is there. So now they see my belly. Can you see that? Can you see that? So this early morning, take my kids to school. Then as I'm running, so more just my people. So it's very, very good, no? So I'm back now. So we go back now. So now since I then here, we check very well. You see that one at Thai Road, May Road. You see on motor the pass, right? Okay. So my people, I greet you now so much. I appreciate you now a lot for supporting me, for being there, for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So now, so my people, I don't say the sun now don't shine anyway. The sun now don't shine well because small time now cold already they go, guys. You understand? Cold already they go. You understand? Yeah. So you can see that. So you can see my trousers. Oh yes. So I need to show, I not time to check that. So my beautiful people, as they go, my people, when it come be say, what did they go on and on? May I quickly check this one, whether not truth, I don't know. They say lockdown go still dey Germany again. Last time Italy be they freely system, but later I was hearing that they on lockdown. Two, Germany wants to go lockdown again, whether they say 5 days. Next week they will be on lockdown. That will get us a be now. My people, they say not tire person because now summer be they come, so they're not supposed to be a lockdown anywhere at all. Because why? Some don't they come. Now see me now not wear jackets. Because when I see now some they some they wear, you understand? So I didn't see any need of lockdown 5 days, but I will say 5 days now. At the end, now the lockdown will not spend 1 month. We know the, we know the, now not this road. Now remember this road. So we know the. They will said 1 week. Oh, yeah. People can remember this place, right? Oh yes. You see that? You see that? So they'll say how many days now? They'll say maybe the lockdown, they'll say it will last for 5 days. But at the end, I don't believe that lockdown, this lockdown will be on 5 days. It go past 5 days because why? They'll still do now, they'll say the shifter. They'll still do now, they'll say next week. They'll do now, they'll say next 2 weeks. So you get us to be. So what man go do now? We need to be here because we don't come. We don't have choice. We go be here. But what we are just praying for, make the sun shine this year so that this COVID-19 of 18 will still leave person. Understand? So now we were in Germany now. Italy don't still go on another lockdown again. So we first go here first. We first go up before we come this side. I first go up. So today now straight. I never want to go outside. This body they pick this early morning sun. So if you people know, I'm gonna say yes, this early morning sun is very, very good. Like when you carry picking go school, I mean, make our children go school now, you know. Then I take my straying around. You can see me. I don't run now. See my. I can see my jacket here. Look at my jacket here. See, I'm not wearing because I don't feel heat. You understand? I don't feel heat, so I don't want to wear it anymore. So as I'm talking to you now, they see fresh air and the sweet morning sun. See that? You see that? Now they see so morning sun. They see the sun now, so it's very, very good. Use body to pick them in the morning. Will make you look strong, look fit. Not be like doing run exercise. You go walk by no. This walking alone is part of exercise. When you walk like 30 minutes, 1 hour. See, oh, you born now they go for that. They don't carry dog. Young lady, she they go now. She carry dog. She they stroll. They go for this sun. You understand? Say cold. They know. They stroll. They go for this sun. So that is very, very good. You can see that now. You understand? I'm in front of the church, Catholic church. Yeah. See that? See my shoe when I wear this morning because sports shoe. So that if I want to run, want to do anything exercise, you see my tummy. You see. So let me show. I wear something inside. Shame not the catch me. You see, I buckle. So it's very, very good. So see my body now. I know they feel maybe cool. Not like cool. I'm even enjoying the fresh air. So that is it, my beautiful people. It's very, very good. It's very, very important for us to be doing it all the time. You can see that. Oh yes. So that is it, my people. So what do we want to talk about today now? Matter will be say they go for social media. I don't say me must shock my mouth, but I must talk on the way it be. You know, say me, I'm a type of person when we say I'd always stand for the truth and I'd always talk on the way it be, right? Okay, now my people. Wait till you come day now will be say social media now. It's about this salt and water ministry, Iyore. Now we want to talk about today. You understand? Iyore and Osuweni Azowegi, that useless lady. Osuweni Azowegi and daughter one of Paris. We're going to talk to for the matter because our own conduct will talk with shook my pole using that. But at the time, I just want to do a little video. Then later, then we will not talk about it. We will not do sit down, prepare on our live video. Hey, please, guys. Oh, I'm forgetting something. Please, my people. My birthday don't reach. My birthday is next tomorrow, guys. Please, you need to prepare, guys. You need to prepare. You understand? You need to prepare. Okay, guys, please, see, you need to prepare because on Sunday night is my birthday. Birthday, baby. Birthday, baby. Birthday, baby. On Sunday night is my birthday, guys. Please, on the 28th, today is 26th, right? Also, today is 28th of March. I was born on March 28th, and when I just stay happy, the birthday comes for Sunday. So I'm very, very happy and give it thanks to God. So next tomorrow will be my birthday. So guys, please don't fail to be there just to come and support me, guys. Please, 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 my beautiful people, my loved ones. So please, on Sunday is my birthday. Next tomorrow, try to come and join me and celebrate my birthday. Thank you very much. So my people, what I want to try to talk today for this video be say, Osuweni Azowegi. Iyore one of Paris and daughter one of Paris. Now the matter I want to analyze today. I will talk about it a little bit, but maybe later we'll talk about it later. So you understand? So my people are going to hear for social media. You know, say me, the time when that is when he call herself queen, when she they talk to me that time because of Iyore. Me, hey, Mama, come here. See, yeah. What they call her? Dog. I built the color. See the your food here. I go show. Oh, I don't hold something. No. Oh, I don't hold anything. I forgive them. Oh, I don't hold anything for bag. It's very painful. Let me check. I don't throw away all of the biscuits when I be carried. Oh, I will forgive them. It's very painful. Hi. You pay me rich, bro. See there. See there. There are plenty, now they see there. There's many. They swim. The river there. Whenever they swim. Hey, I don't hold this thing. I don't hold something. I forgive them. You understand? River then when they for the swim. I don't say dog like a dog fowl. Yeah, dog fowl. Yeah, dog fowl. Yeah. That one they call now. See there for inside river. And they see there. See there. See now they make trade for inside river there so. See now they swim so now they see. So the day inside they swim. So my beautiful people, may I look for a place to sit down. Then we can analyze this matter very well. So guys, please. Oh, sorry, that's right. So my people, what I want to try to talk, guys, when we say this matter as it take they go move sit down and they see the pepper where to the straw. Our road be this part, I'll see straw back. Oh, water day here. Okay, no, we need to go sit down for the other one. This one they never dry on this morning. See there. And they see there. And they see there. See the dog fowl. People they like and where that here. Let's sit down here. Oh yes. Just that the sun no go let person see road. My people, so yes, so I just enjoy this sun, no be small. This early morning sun is very, very good. I sit down. I say, me not the lie, guys. Oh, see the fresh air, my people. Oh, hi. Yeah, you go body carry this early morning sun. So what I want to try to talk about today, my beautiful people, my loved ones. See, I sit down, right? And so I sit down, guys. And so I sit down. So my people, what I want to try to talk now, you're the one of Paris. You're the one of Paris. You're the one of Paris, Dr. One of Paris, and this lady called Esuweni Azowegi. That lady is a type of person. She thinks she is fighting for Yori. It's a lie. She's not fighting for hello. She's not fighting for anybody. Okay, guys, she's not fighting for Yori, and it's not that really she loves Iyori. No, may I bring my face down so that my face will be so beautiful. So it's not that she really loves Iyori, not at all, my people. See my ear, so the ear really light too. See, the ear really yellow. See, so you're the yellow. See? Can you see that? My ear don't be light oh. So my people, I should say now they hear me. Iyori no be person when he like I say Iyori that queen called Esuweni Azowegi. It's not that she really loves Iyori. That woman is a devil incarnate. And this message goes to Iyori, be careful of queen. That will be the title of this video. Because that woman, she's not happy. When you think that woman is happy, Iyori, you are lying. Better just run away for your dear life, because that lady is not happy at all. Because when you look at that Esuweni Azowegi, the way she do, Iyori, whereas it's lie. It's a lie, pure lie. You don't get Iyori when you love. You don't get Iyori when you like. You understand? Okay, you know, here when Iyori talk, he say, now daughter, you don't find they talk a long time ago, it's not the first time. He say, Iyori say, now that daughter, they help her. Many work, they when the daughter, they do for her. You understand? That means, he say, go reach videos, go reach YouTube, now they help and they control her. Because this life, you need to hold person when it be say, you know, say this person are your offer and omega. Like this useless Lolekia, when you know say Mommy Monica na a god. For her to hold it tight because of jealousy, he go lose them away. Now she's crying. So now, thank God the Iyori is so smart to know that Esuweni Azowegi is not a nice person. Yes. He was so smart to know that Esuweni Azowegi is not a nice person. Okay, the person when you know very well, because if the person advise you say, this man where they follow. Really, I say Esuweni Azowegi, you really be. Now, person like man we don't marry, they engage you hide as big as you are. You are not a baby of 25, 30, 40. You are even more than 40 years. You already talk for one video say this queen is senior. Okay, now how can a woman like that be friending another woman husband and hiding it, saying you love the man love you? Which love they there? Man will not bring you out. Man will not marry you. Man will they engage you hide. With this small children of nowadays 18, 19 years no go do. Now useless queen they do. Okay, say because of say Dr. One of Paris come talk with. He called the vendor because he can say run away from this man. This man is a central, and in the shop queen money people more they go this place. More they go like this so that it be okay. So he say because he called and say queen no, you have to be very, very careful because this man go to shop your money and this man has central he get wife. That man go like to queen say now so he don't get wife now so queen he love queen. Okay, you say a love person, why you people they engage and hide? Okay, that is a major problem here. Okay, that one come pass. Okay, as a brother or a person when you know person say queen, no, you are the one of our member. Okay, this person you are following, we know say this person is central. Hello, this person is central. You don't need to force yourself on that person. You don't need to go the follow her. You need to tell her the truth. At the end, make she not call the regret. They say queen come begin the cause Dr. One of Paris. Okay, now Person when they advise you, if they don't even tell you, me wanna say as queen take this stupid and useless. Wanna say as queen take jeje. When you really know, even though they don't tell you, not gonna say that man we don't get wife, they fuck you right. Man we don't they fuck you. This man say not only for queen, no, it's made for many women. When you will know very well that the man have a woman, a wife at all, the man will not use their mouth to deceive you. Please, I don't love that woman. I don't have something doing with that woman. The woman I hear the force me. He just want to fuck you. He just want to collect what's in your hand. Because when he can't tell you saying, so you love your wife, maybe you go to invest as a woman. You go to invest as a woman say, okay, not be say you even don't hide it. You see, when you open your mouth, they tell me say you love your woman, you can't do it with your woman. It's few men that say it. So that when they say, he say, please, oh, I have a wife, I have a lovely, beautiful children as well. Please, I don't want problem. If you know you cannot, I don't want to take you serious. You just need to know that I don't want to take you serious. Now little men I they talk. You say I don't want to take you serious because why you don't want problem? Okay, now my beautiful people, what you come there now be say, waiting that man talk not be like. Are you now queen? You are not a baby anymore. You not be on mom will be say you not call no man when you good. Now I said that, now I said this, now so that. You can't begin to curse the man. Are you not ashamed of yourself? As you hold as you are picking, you never born. Okay, now not only picking, say maybe I used to kill if you know. Okay, for you to still settle down with a man, when he go love you for who you are, when you say go see love, that will bear for you, that will look for solution, that will help you look for solution. Say, oh no, this is my woman, this lady I too love her, I too like her. No, come, no, go look for solution for picking, or we need to have kids together. There are some men that do it for women. Okay, you will not be like that. In the height called the fuck you. In the height called the war you. In the height called the go. Now that one called the verse Yuri. Not even the verse to marriage. Not only go fuck. He said the same man as well. Go still do the man. Go come they collect money for a queen house. Say the same way queen they not be small. Yes. Say the same way queen they not be small. You go collect money for people. The whole people they say now so they print cloth. I'm enjoying this song, guys. They collect money for people. They say if they enjoy, if they print cloth art. They say they don't know the kind of cloth where she they print. You understand? They don't know the kind of cloth where she they print. They use until they collect people money. And after you collect those money, not to look for a solution, not to look for a good life, not to look for a good solution and know how you are going to take care of yourself. You will still carry the same money and give to a man that have wife at home. Because the doctor now said, this woman, this brother get wife, don't follow him. And their family is also central that they do up and down. For you to use brain and sense and really monitor, to really watch, say, what did those people tell me? I want to check whether I'm truth or not. Like, at the end, you're not angry. When I make some people, for you to tell them the truth, better just leave them, let them be mad. Leave them, let them decrease. You don't need to tell them the truth, say their teeth, they smell or they have problem or what they are doing. No. Leave them with their problem, let them be bearing it like that. Because when you tell them, you say, this thing they do so no good though. This one I'll get as a bill. They will not turn you as a bad person. They will not look you as an evil. They will not look you as a demon. They will not look you as if you don't want their progress. As if with the truth you are telling them is itching them. From then I call the first one Yuri. And Yuri, my advice for you is this. You need to be very careful of Queen. Because Queen is going to bring you that, you know. So if you not beware of Queen. Because now you don't use your mouth talk and now say, now doctor they help you for everyone, whether they want me you die for poverty, you don't know who you say. And where would you say Yuri, run away from that lady. Because the one he will do to you, thank God say one or not the same country. And two, not only the same country. You need to be very, very careful of that lady called Esuweni Azowege. Yes, that call herself Queen. Yes, that call herself Queen. Yeah, so 19 minutes. You need to be very, very careful for that lady call herself Queen. Yes. Now Dimo, because you know now, okay, really YouTube you know go feel operate. Everything videos you send a person they cutting for you, saying a doctor they do everything for you. Message when doctor do for you, nobody will feed one for you. So thank God you know. So thank God you know. As you know now, you You need to be very, 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 very careful so that you will not enter one chance, so that you will not regret your life tomorrow, so that you will not cry. Because when that insult too much for that man not reason because they say I've been a Yore the sign account, or you call the verse where you say Opa, what do you do for Yore? So you need to call that lady off. Tomorrow he can apologize. Next tomorrow go see do another one. When Yore, you not get sense. You wanna say that woman how we want bring that in the fine. You not gonna say that woman. Hello. Good morning. You not gonna say that kind of woman. Let me stay here because the sun. You're not gonna say that kind of woman. Now you want break down, now they fine. Who you want destroy, now they fine. So what you just have to do, you need to be very, very careful. You need to leave a queen. Queen is not a good person. A queen, man need the progress where a Yore. A Yore queen does not need your progress. If you think queen need your progress, we are lying. Queen did not need your progress. So what you just have to do. So what you just have to do is to stay clear away from that lady. So that is all I have to say. And this message go to Iyore. Run away from Queen. Queen is not a good person. Yes, Queen is not a good person. Yes. Wow. Let me climb here. Am I tall right now? Am I tall right now? So guys, all right, my beautiful people, I'm about to end this video right now. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Please don't forget to give thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you so much. Yes. All right, I'm about to go right now. Bye.